Jose, get out.
Yeah, you good, man. Waiting. Yeah, he waiting. He ready. Do it again.
Oh, good. Get over here. Get over here. Okay, what? Alright, let's go. Come on. Hey, you wait for Nathaniel. Wait for Nathaniel, alright? Anthony, hold on.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Nathaniel. You guys are already 0-1 today.
Oh!
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Go. Hey, you two are on 0-1 today. Get out. So, she was not fucking following me like I said. The only option is like, he doesn't have to go to show, but like in the show, I'm saying left side. I guess everything goes to show. Yeah. So here is 4410. And here's my bus. Here's my bus right here. So. Oh, the bus driver's coming, but I'm gonna chill out for a sec. But like guys, how y'all today, you know? Wanting to check on y'all because normally if y'all just be like a crazy person, then you know, I would say get it over with, but like y'all can have fun. So I think y'all can do, but I'm gonna probably talk to my friends, but I don't. It depends. If so, guys, yeah, the 4305, I guess didn't come to was like the bus driver, she was not here, and I guess this morning before, like when she woke up and she felt like she couldn't come to work and stuff, I guess she forgot to call a substitute bus driver, for her bus, 4305, but I guess not. So the kids, they're riding 4301 today. They're riding 4301 today. And then maybe tomorrow when, maybe tomorrow, like when the bus driver maybe comes back tomorrow, then we'll see. But yeah, today's outfit. Whoosh. So yeah, I got, I'll show you guys. So I got this gray Old Navy shirt, black pants, and my Air Forces. Yeah, because 4414 is normally, like in the front, and then something else, but... Yeah, like I said, 4414 is normally, like, is like normally, like, 4414 is, normally, like, so my bus, 4408, is in the front, and then behind it is 4414, and then 4410, but, looks like 4414 didn't show up today, and it looks like we're missing several buses today too, because it does look like we're missing several buses because I do not see in the back, all the way back there, I do not see 4419, I do not see 4402, and 4416, and 4405. Oh, also, the transportation buses for the 5th period route, I'm going to tell you guys again, because I missed a few numbers. For all of them, I'm going to say it again. So the first one, 5th period transportation to the main campus, are 4460 and 4458. The 6th period route for the transportation to the main campus is 4459, 4311, and 4455. Then, the 7th period one for the transportation to the main campus is 4415, 4404, 02, 4410, 4459, 4455, 4452, 4413, 4412, 4408, 4460, 4458, 4407, and 4417. And on top of that, there's another bus number that is there as well. There's 4311. So, yeah. And the bus number that I ride to the main campus for 5th period is 4460. So, yeah. And, because, like, look. But, I'm thinking about, like, a lot of stuff here. Because if the stuff is, like, going on and on, then it can still be a continuous time. For that matter, sorry. And I don't see the freshman buses in yet. And the freshman buses, the activity buses that come Monday through Friday are 4417, bus number 181, 47, 4421, which is normally 18170, and then 4404, which is 17209. So let's see. If 4421 has its original bus, then, then that's okay, because I figured it is. But then, yeah, because I don't think they're coming in today either. I don't know though. I'm not sure, but like, hey, if they are coming in today, then it's good. But I don't think they are, so I'm gonna head to 300, I guess. So. If they come and then I miss that shot, then I don't know. Now they're coming in, and it's 217, so only 4417 is here. So, yeah, 4417 is here. That's all. Shit. I don't know what to do, because I'm gonna cut to the 300, and I know that all the other stuff are not that bad, but here at the same time, things are not looking the best as it is. And yes, I will just try to do more stuff, and then if it just goes to a cost, why not? Because, it's turning me, so nobody ain't gonna complain about it either. But I'm not sure, Gonna head to the 300, leaving the 200 right now, so. So yeah, I got my Air Forces on me. It's cool, right? Head out now, so. I mean, to be honest, I'm just gonna be not the normal way, because I'm thinking thinking about it is much easier, I would say, rather than, doing it. But, yeah. My friend is coming, so I'm gonna head to the buses now with him, alright? Catch you guys in the next one. Alright? See you all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Bye.